WWE has a lot of big matches planned for SummerSlam. One match could have shocking ending for some fans. Drew McIntyre is set to face Randy Orton with the WWE title on the line. McIntyre has yet to raise his title in front of live fans since winning it at an empty WrestleMania 36. Wrestling News reported that there is talk backstage that Orton might win the title at SummerSlam. It's reported that if Orton does win, then he will be doing so without Ric Flair, who isn't returning. We will have to see what the company decides to do. This reign for McIntyre can't be judged like any other reign. He carried the title during a very uncertain time for WWE as they had to transition and change on a constant basis. Putting the WWE title on Randy Orton also falls in line with Vince McMahon's strategy to put big matches on television now. Orton has a bigger name and they might put the title on him as they are making McIntyre. CM Punk pays attention to WWE programming. He might not get paid to commentate on it anymore since WWE Backstage cancellation, but he still has Twitter. The Second City Savior recently commented on an Instagram post from Rey Mysterio. He suggested that Mysterio shave Seth Rollins' head since it's never been done before. Of course, that has been done before with Mysterio and Punk. When WWE on Fox Twitter account dropped a tweet about this Instagram post, CM Punk had a very interesting response. He made a reference about knowing a thing or two about Retribution. Plenty of WWE fans have sent out hopeful messages that CM Punk is behind Retribution. Ringside News reported that he is not in the conversation at all. CM Punk does like to have an awful lot of fun on social media. That doesn't mean he will be leading an army into the performance center anytime soon. GoFundMe was set up to help James Kamala Harris family with expenses and to pay for his funeral. The fundraiser has surpassed more than $22,000 in just 24 hours since it was started, and the biggest donation so far come from AEW's Chris Jericho, who donated $5,000. Other big donations include $2,500 from Impact Wrestling executive Scott D'Amore and $2,500 from Pro Wrestling Tees owner Ryan Barkan. In 2019, Jericho donated $5,000 to help save Kamala from being evicted from his home. Jericho helping out wrestlers over the years, and many of those acts of kindness have not been publicized. Here are some of donations he's made to various fundraisers over the last couple of years.